Good morning, my little ones. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good at your home. I am your Margi ma'am. Welcome back to Junior KG class. Children, today we will again revise the topic of body parts in general awareness. So, let's see pictures related to it. Parts of the body: hair, nose, chin, head, mouth, arm, wrist, thumb, hand, leg, ear, cheek, eye, lip, neck, finger, knee, toe. Now we will sing a rhyme related to our body parts. Chubby cheeks, dimpled chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Now we will solve the worksheet. Today we will solve the worksheet of body parts. Now the first picture is of hair. So tell me children, where do we have to match? Yes, here. Second picture is of eyes. Here is boy's eyes. So we will match here. Now the next picture is of a nose. So children, find out where is boy's nose. Yes, it is here. So we will match here. Then next picture is of a ear. So here is boy's ear. So we will match here. And the last picture is of a mouth. So tell me children, where is the boy's mouth? Yes, it is here. So we will match here. I hope you learned the topic of body parts very well. So take care and bye.